Ethan was a quiet boy. He always sat at the back of the classroom. Nobody chose him. Nobody talked to him. At lunch, he ate alone. He watched others laugh. And every day he checked his phone. No messages. No notifications. One day he whispered, "Maybe I don't matter. If you've ever felt invisible too, leave a like." That night, Ethan made a small decision. Not a big one. Not a loud one. He wrote in a notebook, "I will improve myself every day." The next morning, he woke up early. He went for a walk. He read one page of a book. He practiced speaking in the mirror. People still ignored him. But Ethan didn't stop. Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. Slowly, something changed. He walked taller. He spoke clearer. He felt stronger. If you believe small habits build big futures, press like. One day in class, the teacher asked a question. No one answered. Ethan raised his hand. The room became silent. He spoke calmly. He spoke clearly. Everyone listened. After that day, people started to notice him. They talked to him. They smiled at him. Ethan didn't become famous. He didn't become rich. But he became something better. Visible. If you are still watching, you are part of Ethan's journey. Hit like. Ethan learned one truth. You don't need the world to believe in you. You need to believe in yourself. And when you do, the world will follow.